Welcome! Today, we're diving into an uncommon, but truly essential tool for learning and development professionals, the L&D Retrospective template. Whether you're in L&D or HR, this template can transform the way you assess and improve your training initiatives. So, what exactly is a retrospective? Originally adopted from project management practices, it's a structured framework that helps teams reflect on their recent training programs. By gathering feedback on what worked well and identifying challenges, you can foster continuous improvement in your L&D efforts. Using the L&D Retrospective template is simple yet impactful. Start your session with an icebreaker or a quick check-in. This sets a positive tone and helps participants feel more engaged right from the beginning. Next, take a moment to review the action items from your last retrospective. Discuss any progress made, completed tasks, or roadblocks that may need addressing. This ensures accountability and keeps everyone on the same page. Briefly outline the structure and purpose of the session. This clarity helps everyone understand the goals and the process, ensuring a productive discussion. Invite team members to reflect on what went well, what didn't, and what could be improved since the last review. Encourage open dialogue to capture a wide range of perspectives. Once the discussion points are generated, organize the feedback by grouping similar ideas. This helps highlight recurring themes and makes it easier to focus on key areas. Now it's time for voting. Each team member can distribute 3 votes among the themes or stickers. They can even use all their votes on one sticker if they feel strongly about it. This democratic process prioritizes the most important topics. After voting, select the top 3 to 5 discussion points with the highest votes for in-depth discussion. These topics will guide your collaborative efforts moving forward. Engage in a collaborative brainstorming session to address the selected points. Focus on generating practical solutions and improvements for your training programs. This is where creativity and teamwork shine. As solutions are generated, translate them into clear action items. Assign each item to specific team members and set deadlines to ensure accountability and follow-through. During the discussion, you might encounter topics that are important, but not directly related to the current session. To keep the meeting focused, create a parking lot area in the template to capture these items for future discussion. This way, valuable insights are not forgotten while you stay on track. Finally, hold a checkout session. Allow each team member to share any final thoughts or feedback. This reinforces engagement and commitment as you conclude the session. And remember, you can access our free L&D Retrospective template in FigJam from Ally. It's designed to facilitate collaboration and make your sessions more effective. To get started, click the link below to download the template and elevate your L&D practices today. Let's make your training programs more effective together.